Alright, hey guys, it is Chris here again with another video, and in this video today we're going to be going on a trip report. So today's trip report will be on a United Airlines Boeing 777-200 out of Newark Liberty International Airport, which is part of the greater New York City area. It's home to three major airports, Newark Liberty Airport, which is in New Jersey, and the other two, New York LaGuardia and New York's John F. Kennedy Airport, which are in New York City. But Newark Airport is not part of New York City. It's part of the city of Newark, New Jersey. It's the only major airport in New Jersey, believe it or not, but there's no surprises there, because where else would you put a major airport in the state of New Jersey? Okay, so anyways, getting on with the report. So again, we'll be flying on a United Airlines 777-200, which is kind of unique because typically this route is flown by a 757-200. So today's trip report will be going from Newark Liberty International Airport to the San Francisco International Airport in San Francisco, California. From there, we'll be taking mass transit, like a train system or something, and I'll try and show that off a little bit as part of the kind of trip report going to the hotel. But I will not be taking mass transit to Newark Liberty Airport because it just doesn't make sense from where I am. It just doesn't make sense, and in San Francisco it'll make sense. Just because of how much closer I am to the city rather than taking public transit to Newark. But I will definitely try to get some clips of showing the transit between the airport and the hotel. And yes, guys, the video will end at the St. Francis Westin in San Francisco, California. I'll be staying there for one night. I do not know the rest of the hotels. However, I will be staying in a DoubleTree by Hilton for 3 days. I'm not really going to be vlogging that much, but I just wanted to let you guys know that this is a trip report video only, so do not expect any footage vlogging-wise. This is not an air trip. This is a trip report, again, on a United Airlines 777-200. This isn't the going back trip. The going back trip, I will explain later on. The night I do it, at least, I'll get the trip report started. So yeah. So anyways, guys, hope you enjoy this trip, and we will pick up this video tomorrow morning on Thursday, July 19th, 2019. Hope you guys enjoy the trip. So for tonight, though, that's it. Alright, so guys, it is approximately 11:30 here on the East Coast. Pretty much just getting ready. Have a very early flight in the morning, about 8 o'clock. Not 6 o'clock, but it's at 8 o'clock. We basically have to be at the airport by 7:10, so we got to leave here at 6 o'clock. It's like 6:10, 6:30 to get to Newark by 7:10. To check in, obviously, for the flight. We're probably gonna get something to eat at the airport. I'll show you guys the type of food that I'm gonna get. So basically, guys, so now it's just gotta get some shut-eye. I'm pretty tired, and we will see each other again first thing in the morning at around 5 o'clock in the morning when I'm getting ready and stuff. But all the stuff is packed. I just have to get my laptop and essentials together, but that's easy. I can just get that together in the morning. So anyways, guys, that's it for tonight, and we will be back in the morning to begin the trip report on the United Airlines Boeing 777-200 from Newark Liberty International Airport to the San Francisco International Airport in San Francisco, California. As of this clip being recording, the current status of our aircraft is somewhere on its way to Los Angeles, and it's actually going on a red-eye from LAX to Newark Airport. So right now our aircraft is actually heading towards LAX. But anyways, guys, I gotta get to bed. It's getting late. It's almost midnight, and I'm never gonna get some sleep before 5 a.m. and I gotta shower and stuff and get ready for the airport. So until the morning, that's it. Alright, so guys, it is 6:10 in the morning. It's the next day. So pretty much I just got ready and stuff, and I'm pretty much ready to go. So pretty soon we'll be leaving for the airport, and yeah, so now we're going to switch over to now a time lapse in the car service from Route 17 all the way down to Newark Liberty International Airport. So I'm basically ready to go, and I will be leaving very shortly for Newark Airport. So until we get to the car service, that's it.
electronic device under a seat, please ask a flight attendant to help find it. Do not move the seat as this may damage the device and its battery. On this flight, we offer personal device entertainment as part of United Private Screening, sponsored by Mileage Plus Explorer card. To watch free movies and TV shows on your tablet or mobile phone, first connect to United Wi-Fi network, then open the United app and select entertainment on the home screen. You can find more information on the back of the Hemisphere magazine on how to watch the programming. Wi-Fi internet access is also available on the flight. After you connect to United Wi-Fi network, go to unitedwifi.com. You can access united.com and United app free of charge, where you can check flight status and more. To use other apps and websites, you can purchase an internet access plan. Once we reach a workable altitude, we'll be serving a variety of complimentary drinks. Wine, craft beer, and other alcoholic beverages are also available for purchase. In United Economy, a variety of snack boxes and refreshments are also available for purchase. Also, you can purchase freshly prepared meals from our bistro onboard menu. You can find more details about the menu in the back of the Hemispheres magazine. We accept most major debit and credit cards, including those with the Visa, MasterCard, Discover, or American Express logo, as well as the Mileage Plus Explorer Visa card. We now invite you to sit back, relax, and enjoy service on today's flight. Please let us know if there's anything we can do to make your flight more enjoyable. Thank you. remain clear during takeoff and landing. Thank you for your cooperation. Gentlemen, welcome to San Francisco International Airport. The local time now is approximately 10:53 a.m. We will be taxiing for the next few minutes, so please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened and all items served until the seatbelt sign is turned off. Please make sure you have all of your personal belongings before exiting the aircraft, and be careful when opening overhead compartments with contents and mattresses during landing. We hope you have enjoyed our service on this flight. You're now free to use your mobile phones and email small lightweight devices. On behalf of United, our Star Alliance partners, and your entire flight crew, we thank you for flying friendly skies with us today. We hope you've had a pleasant experience, and we'll look forward to welcoming you once again on another United flight. Good morning and good day.
아들이 있잖아, 거기. 정규 뽑았을 때는 아무 소용 없어.
Wow, look at these things.
The stewardess called me. I went up and I got a cup of coffee. That's when she came back. Didn't she give you food? Not like presidential. I mean, it's not like that summer vacation. I'm here for business. No.
This is a security advisory. Please maintain possession of your bags at all times. Please report any suspicious activity or unattended items by calling 911 from any phone.
Bags haven't come out yet. Bags would go. It's got me. I'd love to just say hello. And say something nice. I wouldn't say something evil. Don't do that. It's so dirty. You maximize it. I'm going to say, Chris Christie.
These walkways are so cool.
Double C.
They're so cool. I think these are rubber tire walkways. You don't get this in North Jersey.
It is. He was the last seat in first class, and he was on the window. Like row 4.
Reminds me of a train station back home.
Or row 6.
Your attention, please. Check is by United Airlines flight 1589 to Honolulu will now depart 887.
Alright, so guys, thank you so much for watching the trip report from Newark Liberty Airport to the San Francisco International Airport in San Francisco, California. Hope you enjoyed this trip report. We're here at the Westin, St. Francis Westin in San Francisco, California. Full tour coming later on this week. Anyways, guys, hope you enjoyed that video, and that is it.